Do you offer mole removal via radio frequency? No, we do not. Do mole removal via radio frequency. So, I've always said that there are lots of different ways to remove a mole, and I get comments, actually not so much recently, but I used to get comments on YouTube asking about all sorts of ways of removing moles, kind of, without surgery, basically, and at home, really, usually revolving around some kind of acid, basically. And yeah, there are lots of different ways you can remove a mole, because basically a mole is just a pigmented area of the skin, and if you remove that bit of skin, then that mole will be removed. If you fall off your motorbike and scrape the skin off your leg and there's some moles there, those moles will be removed. So you can destroy skin or remove skin in lots of different ways. But we only use surgery in the clinic, and I feel that is the best way, because you can control it. If you're using energy to remove the mole, it can be more difficult to gauge the depth of that energy, of kind of how much skin it removes. So that's kind of more like laser, that a lot of people talk about laser. Now, having said that, I don't do laser, so I don't want to be kind of, what's the word, criticized for being like, you're just saying that because you don't do it. So it's like, talk to someone who does it and talk about the pros and cons. For me, the pros of laser is if there's multiple, then maybe laser would be good, but you can't send it for histology. It's not possible to send a lesion for histology if you're removing it by laser, because laser is essentially burning the skin and removing the mole that way. But I'm not familiar with radio frequency I'm familiar with it as a skin tightening, and I know that there is some machines that do kind of fat removal. Do they do mole removal? I don't know if it destroys. I thought the whole point of it was it sort of kind of sublethal dose to the skin, and that tightens the skin. But maybe there's something about I don't know. Maybe so. No is the answer. We don't do mole removal by radio frequency. That's the short answer. That's probably easiest. I should have just started with